I'm going to do something a little bit different. I am going to make use of my found circle punch and my smaller one. This is 2.5 inches, and I believe this is 1.5 inches in diameter. So I had some drop paper that I pulled off of my desk, about a month ago, and I just rolled it up, and I've been keeping it around, not knowing what I was going to do with it. Well, I knew that I wanted to punch circles with it, and that's why I was so frantic to find my circle punch. And here they are, and I was thinking artist trading card, which some of these might end up that way. I went ahead and put a gold wash on one side of these. Some I left because I really like what happened there. This is just my drop paper, like what you see on my desk. Use it up. For those of you that are on Facebook, and for those of you that read my comments a lot and come into my live sessions, you all know Janet Baum, B-A-U-M. And she has started making these wonderful little flowers. So I am going to make some flowers out of these circles. So I'm just going to talk as I go through it. Now these are 2.5 inches, and they're really too large. You need 9 of them. And I picked 4 that were dark on one side, like these are all black or mostly black. And then I picked 1 for the base and 4 that are a light color. Here we go. I'll use this one for the base. But as I said, these are really, they're too big. They'll make a great big flower, and that's not what I want. So I'm going to punch these down, and I made a flower, and I'm really happy with how these punched out. I just put my circle in there and punch it out. This will be the base, and then I have to get this out. But look at this. How cool is that? So I'm sure this will be used as collage by the time I get 9 of these. Let's just put them over here as I do this. So this is the base. Let's turn it that way. And these will be the black ones. I might punch these out in fast forward because it's just easier. Okay, now Janet says to mark, and I'm just going to eyeball this. And this is, I'm following Janet Baum's instructions. This is nothing that I'm creating. This, all credit here goes to Janet. I'm not sure where she got this, but this is not my idea. Let's see if I can't bring this a little bit further down here. There. Okay, now you want to fold your circles in half. I'm using this extreme liquid glue. This is Extreme School Glue. I did find this, but this is not the same as the glue stick. So this is a wet glue. So Janet says to face these going clockwise, or at least that's my understanding. So I'm going to do the dark ones first. And I'm just going to put 4 of them down. 1, and I'm sure you'll get better as you do this. 2, 3, 4. Whee! I think Janet called these pinwheel flowers. Now you come in, and in here you put the lighter ones. So I'm just going to put a strip of glue. Looks in shape pretty much like what Janet did, only she decorated hers differently and she put some centerpieces in there. This is where I'm going to do something just a little bit different than she does. I'm going to take a pin and open up this circle here just a little. It's okay to tear it a little, but you don't want to tear it too much. If you want it to lay flat, it's going to tear. But if they all tear the same way, it's a part of the pattern. I'm going to use my bone folder to fold these down. And then I'm just going to go over and open up all of these. Now, isn't that fun? Now I have a little piece that I'm going to put in here. I think I'm going to glue it upside down because I want it to be flat, because I'm going to put this in my book. Now this will take some time to dry. This may move on me. Now, I did this one earlier today. Isn't that pretty? This moved on me. Let's see if I can. Go. How fun is that? These are really fun to make. They're simple. Yeah. Thank you for showing us how to make these, Janet. I think I'll do some of these on my boho tags. I have time. I will see you tomorrow morning.